Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. Ranging markets confuse most traders, but even inside a box direction exists. The side that defends the level stronger usually wins. I don't trade the middle, I wait for extremes. That's where true intent appears.
We are opening a buy trade here, playing off the oversold zone and the support level. Let's mark the area, we get a support touch. And the price is moving sideways for now. It just touched the lower downtrend channel line, so I expect the move to go upward. The CCI is leaving the oversold zone and the ADX is turning bullish too.
Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now.
18 seconds left, let's watch how it plays out. And the trade closes easily in profit.
The mistake most traders make is guessing reversals. They see a red candle and think it's a trend change. But one candle never defines direction. Structure does. I wait for confirmation, pullback, reaction, continuation. That's where clarity begins.
And here 3 trades are open for a decrease. Look, we can see that according to the RSI, there was no crossover into the oversold zone. A price pullback has formed and here a new local maximum is being formed. The super trend indicator shows us that the trades should be open for a decrease and accordingly we will follow the signal and open our final trades for a decrease. A very good downward movement has already occurred. We have 20 seconds left until the trades close. Let's observe our trades. As I said, a new local maximum is forming, the price movement goes downward and the trades close in profit.
After all these years, I stopped seeking signals. Now I just look for truth in price, because direction isn't found, it's felt. When analysis meets peace, trading becomes art, and every minute candle tells a story worth listening to. False moves are part of the game. They appear strong but lack foundation. I filter them by watching speed. Fast, but then moves collapse fast. True direction has depth and stability. I wait for the market to prove its intent. Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today.